It is anticipated that on July 10th, during the Unpacked event, Samsung would present its most recent foldable devices. It's pretty clear by now that Samsung will continue its move away of its round-shaped design aesthetics and towards a more square-shaped design, even from the first real-time look of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. It's been present on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and S24 series, and it looks like it will be included on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 as well. Ice Universe posted a thorough side-by-side comparison photo of the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 6 on X. There are a lot of changes visible. The entire body has been changed to resemble the S24 Ultra, but the most intriguing change is the noticeable shrinkage of the hinge inside. The hinge is almost invisible with the new design enhancement, and the bezel appears to be slightly thinner than the Z Fold 5 from last year, but it's still very apparent. To give you a more precise sense, a Reddit member also posted real-world dummy unit photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which resembles the S24 Ultra when folded. Here is a render that Leaks and Smart PRI jointly shared. With a thinner hinge and an entirely flat display on both sides, the model unmistakably resembles the design of the newly released Galaxy S24 series. This appears to be the most elegant, foldable smartphone on the market. Returning to the comparison of both sides with the Z Fold 5, it appears that the exterior screen is growing in size, making it an ideal device to use even when folded. Nevertheless, despite all of these incredible improvements, a recent report points to a dismal update regarding Samsung's most expensive flagship smartphone. The next Z Fold 6 is expected to stick with the older Wi-Fi 6 and not support the most recent Wi-Fi 7, according to the newly announced FCC certification. We've seen the S24 Ultra arrive with a comparable chipset that still supports Wi-Fi 7, and now the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is anticipated to have the most recent Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 designed for the Galaxy chipset. Although the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is anticipated to cost the same $1,799 as its predecessor, it will undoubtedly be a phone to watch out for thanks to several very noticeable improvements over last year's model. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.